Hi, my name is Rachel. I work for Beaverton City Library, and I wanted to share with you today an easy and fun idea that you can either use as an activity in your family or as a gift for someone, which is a memory box or a happiness box. So to do this, all you really need is any recyclable container. It can be an old cereal box or shoe box. It can be a yogurt container, really anything that you can put something inside of. And if you're going to make it for a gift, what I did is, like in this case, I chose an old ice cream container, and I put the name of the person. So Father's Day is coming up, so put Papa. And then you can just decorate it however you like. So use some construction paper, you put some stickers on there, and then the idea is that you fill the container with good memories that you have with this person. So I put, for example, when I was 5 years old and you took me fishing. Or another example, when we do our Sunday barbecues. Yeah, and you can make them as detailed as you want. You can throw in some little pictures if you'd like. And it's just a sweet way to recognize the fun memories that you have with a person. And another fun detail that you can do with this project is to make a future memory in a coupon sort of book. So especially right now, maybe there are some memories you would like to make with this person that you're not able to or haven't been able to for a bit. So along with their happy memory box, you can give them a little booklet for future memories. And this is just white paper with some washi tape to cover it. You can make it more detailed and elaborate if you'd like, but I just put, for example, like go to the zoo, go out to dinner, take a walk in the woods, really anything that person might like to do. And so you can give this to them along with their memory jar, and that way when you are able to do these things, you can take them out of the book and put it in your memory jar. And so that's kind of another little fun variation that you can have if you do this as a gift. This also works as a great little family activity. In this case, I used a box that had a bunch of raisins in it and just covered it with paper and then did cutouts from magazines of things that our family likes. And then again, you just write down your memories and put them in the box. And this is a great activity to do with little ones, even if they're not able to write yet. You can write down your memories for them that they dictate to you. That's a great early literacy activity for them. And you can read them whenever you like. So if you want to do it once a week, if you want to do it once a month. I actually have a friend who has been doing this with her family for a couple years now, and it's become part of their New Year's Eve tradition. So all throughout the year, they gather memories and everybody in the family puts in their favorite memories. And then on New Year's Eve during dinner, they take out the memories and read them and share them. So it's just kind of a fun reminder of things that you can do as a family. So I hope that you enjoyed this idea and that in the future you'll either do a memory or happiness box for someone special in your life or as a family activity. Thank you very much. Be well.